Hi everyone, my name is Krishna Kumar Pandit and in this video I am going to explain you my React based project that is Habit Tracker. Initially, when I open this Habit Tracker, it will show us please add new habit to track them because initially there is no habit added. In order to add new habit, we just have to provide the habit name here and click that particular add button. This will add that particular habit into the habit list. Similarly, we can add as many habits as we want in this particular habit list. Here I am adding 3 habits as running, gym and book reading. In any case, if we want to change the name of any habit, we just click that particular edit button. This will allow us to change the name of that particular habit. Now click on that particular save button to save the new name. Now this will rename that particular habit name. Similarly, if you want to delete any particular habit, then just click that particular delete button. This will delete that particular habit from the habit list. Now if we want to view the week view of any particular habit, then we just click that particular week view button. This will give us a complete week chart of that particular habit. And here we can mark the habit is done or not done on the day basis. If on the first day the habit is completed, then we can simply mark on done button, and if on the second day the habit is not completed, then we can mark on the not done button, and so on. Now finally we want to save the changes we have done on that particular week view table, so we just click on that particular save button. This will save our update response and show us that your response saved successfully. We just have to click that particular OK button. Now with the help of this back button, we can anytime go to the home page by clicking this back button. Now here you can see that days completed is updated as 3. Out of 7 days till now we have completed 3 days as our habit is done. So here I am explained you the complete working and the layout of my habit tracker project. Now coming to the code part. Now its code part, in the source file I have created app.css file, app.js file, habit item.js file, habit list.js file, index.css file, index.js file and week view.js file. Now I will show you my app.js file code. Now this is the code of my app.js file. Now this is the code of my habit item.js file. This is the code of my habit list.js file. This is the code of my week view.js file. This is the code of my app.css styling file. This is the code of my index.js file. Now here I showed you my complete code part and working functionality and layout part of my habit tracker application. Thank you.